Just days ago, crypto went through one of the biggest flushes we've ever seen. Nearly $19 billion got liquidated across the crypto markets. But here's the crazy part. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even some altcoins have bounced back. So today, we're not talking about just a crash. We're talking about the comeback. Is this the start of a recovery or just a bull trap before another leg down? Let's find out. Last Friday saw over $19 billion in leveraged positions wiped out, one of the largest in crypto history. Over 1.6 million traders got liquidated. Bitcoin wicked down to about 107,000, dragging every altcoin down with it. Avalanche, XRP, and Solana saw some of their largest single candle drops in years. So yeah, it's a total bloodbath. But here's what's interesting. After the panic, buyers immediately stepped in. Bitcoin recovered above 115,000, Ethereum bounced back above 4,000, and Solana regained support at $195. Stablecoin inflows are rising again. That means fresh capital is moving back on exchanges. The Fear and Greed Index, which dropped to about 29 in fear, is already climbing towards neutral. This usually happens right before reversal periods. Analysts on Glassnode note that long-term holders barely sold. This means the crash was mostly leverage speculation, not panic exits. Essentially, leverage got flushed. Fundamentals didn't change. Most of the new net inflows are rotating back into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB, the safer plays during recovery. BNB in particular hit an all-time new high over $1,300, showing crazy strength while everything else bled. Altcoin rotations are coming slower, but early signs of accumulation are visible in Solana and Avalanche. Whale wallets tracked by Look on Chain show increased buying across blue chip assets and reduced outflows to exchanges. Another bullish sign. So in short, the money's not leaving crypto, it's consolidating into safer assets until volatility cools. This kind of move, a violent crash followed by an immediate recovery, is a classic bear trap behavior. Weak hands panic sell, institutions scoop up discounted coins, the media floods in with crypto is dead again headlines, and then the market rips higher. Even the funding rates have reset into neutral, meaning the market is no longer overheated. That's healthy. We saw the same setup before the previous bull legs in 2020 and 2023. The structure rhymes. So here's what I think is coming next. And please smash that like and subscribe if you're finding this information helpful. So none of this is financial advice, of course, but I do think October is setting up to be Uptober. Bitcoin dominance remains strong, but it's starting to level. Usually the pre-signal for an altcoin season. Historically, Q4 after a major liquidation event has led to some of the biggest rallies in crypto. So my base case, for short term, there's more volatility. Expect some choppy moves between 100 and 120,000 for Bitcoin. Medium term, bullish into year end, especially for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and quality altcoins. Long term, I still think we see new highs later this year and in early 2026. For me, I'm keeping it simple. 50% in Bitcoin and Ethereum, 25% in the layer ones, the strong ones such as Solana and Avalanche, a very small allocation to memes and risky plays, and I always try to keep that 15 to 20% allocation in cash or USDT or C. This way, if we do get another drawdown, I do have some cash on the side waiting to deploy on the dip. But remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crashes like last week remind us of that. So was this the bottom? It's impossible to call exactly, but the data does show a strong reset, growing inflows, and renewed strength across the majors. If we stay above key support zones, this could mark the start of the next leg. Let me know below. Do you think this recovery is real or just a temporary trap before another flush? Thanks for watching. Stay calm, stay focused, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.